Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make this color drop effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. So here we are two objects. This is a color drop vector and this is our image. So first thing we need to do, just make a copy of our subject layer by pressing Ctrl J for backup and select this one. Now first thing we need to do, just make a selection around our subject. So you can choose any method that you want to make. So I'm making here a quick selection tool, or simply select subject. Selection is created. Now with the selection active, just click on this mask icon and it will create a mask. Now resize your image by pressing Ctrl T to transform and make it smaller and hit OK. Now turn on your color drop effect. Now decrease the opacity around 50%. Now adjust the image according to your. Now make a selection of this all by pressing Ctrl and click on this thumbnail and it will create the entire selection. Now simply go to select and then color range. Now from this menu, choose the highlights and it will select the highlights area automatically. Now you can increase the fuzziness and range a little bit, just like this. While it's created, click on this inverse and hit OK. Now it will create selections. Now selection active and just click on this mask button and it will create a mask. Now it's time to cut out the background from this image. Now hold the control and click on this mask and it will create a selection. Now hide this area and select the background mask. Now just mask out the area where we want to reveal the background and remove the background. Now listen carefully. The black area will hide and white area will show up. Now we wanna hide these pixels. Now inverse the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I and it will make a negative selection. Now click on this mask and choose brush stroke and mask out the area where you want to remove. Now it's affecting the outside of area. By pressing X, toggle between foreground and background and just paint on this. Our effect is ready, but now deselect the area by pressing Ctrl D to deselect. Now it's time to add a background. Now on background layer, just make a blank layer by pressing this icon and then make a gradient by go to adjustment layers and then gradients. Now choose the simple gradients, basic black and white, and then now double click on this gradient. Now it will shows the color. Now choose the color what you want. I want a background color like this and hit OK. In this area I wanna add a lighter color, just like this, and OK. And now change the gradient style from linear to straight. Now click on reverse and there. Now press simple G to activate the gradient and increase the gradient. Now you can adjust and make it center and also you can resize it. Now this is a flat. We wanna add some shadows and highlights to make it more realistic. So what we can do now, we can make curves just like this and decrease the highlights area just like this. Now make sure make it the clipping mask by pressing on this icon and it will create a clipping mask. Now selecting this mask and press Ctrl or Command I to make it inactive. Now choose the simple soft brush and paint white where you want to reveal. Now here we are. Now look overall, here's before and here is the after. How much realistic. Now you can change the blending mode from normal to multiply to make it more realistic. You can decrease the opacity that you want. I think 80 is great. Now look over. Here's before, here's the after. So much difference. Now I think I need to make the gradient more smooth. Now look over. Here's before and here is the after.